So yesterday you were at a party and you talked to somebody who seemed to be really interested in quriobot, and you are looking to reel in this person as a client, but so far the only thing you have basically is an email address and a website of this person. So how are you going to make sure that you provide that person with a crystal clear idea on how cool a quriobot would look on his or her website? That's what today's video is about, and I have given you an example yesterday how to use the embed snippet, but this you can of course only use when you are sitting with that person at the table, or if you have a team viewer session going on. If you, however, do not have these possibilities, then this video might come in handy, because what I will show you today is how you can basically mimic a quriobot on a leads website. So I am going to pretend I have talked to somebody from Coca-Cola. This is their website, and I want to show them how cool quriobot would look on here. So what I've done, and I've done some preparations, so bear with me when talking you through. In the edit screen, I just have the simple bot conversation that I want to show. In the design tab, I've made sure to insert the right avatar image. I made sure to select the right colors as they currently use them on their website, being black and this color code right here. You can find these by inspecting the elements on the website. I've turned off the soft start setting, also something not to forget, to make sure that as soon as they click on my link that I'm going to send to them via email, they will immediately see quriobot. On the landing page, I've made sure to enter Coca-Cola in the URL settings. I've given it a page title just as they've done it here. I've given it a favicon, and I've deleted all of the message titles, message subtitle, message description, as well as the start button. Next to that, and that's basically the final one, I've made a print screen of their website, and I've entered this in the landing page tab as the background of my quriobot. Last but not least, I've turned off the quriobot branding, and I've made sure to set the auto start timer on immediately, basically. The result of this, if you click preview, and let's close the Coca-Cola website, is that you have a perfectly looking example of how this Coca-Cola bot would work on the Coca-Cola website and how fabulous it would look. That should do the trick, and hopefully amazes the people that receive that email with the link to their quriobot example. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.